What's going on, guys? Well, we got to talk about kind of the elephant in the room for crypto here. Chainlink, guys. Emotional index, we're going to go over that, but we're going to look at what the heck is happening with short trades over here. Give you guys a prediction. We're going to look at market cap strength as well as institutional smart money. Man, guys, if you've been watching the videos I've been talking about lately, I've been calling this like 10 to 20%. My apologies, guys, not 20%. This 10% drop on Bitcoin and Ethereum, I was calling it back here, down to this structure, and we're getting pretty close to there, and we've already pretty much experienced the 10% drop I was talking about. So now we're trying to assess how much further can the market go. Ethereum, being the parent coin of these alts, came out with a video today showing you guys, yeah, definitely going to hit this support here, and then we're looking out, for this move down here, probably around, 31, 32. If it goes down further, we're definitely 30, 50, guys, is what we're looking at for Ethereum. It's around a 50% retracement too. Let's go over Link right now, because Link is really important, and I want to talk to you guys about this. Let's give ourselves all the data that we can get to actually see what's going on here. Guys, we're currently sitting for 117 wins and 0 losses. Guys, come over and trade with us. You're going to have a blast. We've never lost a trade. We still have one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest account we can find in crypto right now. We've got $150,000 is our break even, and I think we are just, 2,700 up. With this drop in crypto, I wouldn't doubt if you guys actually see this account, my personal one, get into the high 140s. Okay, I'm expecting the market to drop where it's at and maybe a little bit further. Take a look at this, guys. Retail traders, RSI Stochastic and MACD, their indicators are showing bearish signs now. Now, yes, we are still above the 50, the 100, and 200 moving average. So from a technical analysis perspective, guys, all those moving averages are still below the current price, which is a bullish sign. It is. That's why I'm not calling a huge crash in the market. I think what's going to happen here is that we're going to probably just see a nice drop here. I'll give you guys predictions and then a bounce back up. This is the current trade we're managing, and our break even is at 21.49. Okay, look at this right here. Descending resistance is what we had in the past, which was this mark 1, 2, looking for this third touch. We broke here, and what I would expect us to see, because short trades are increasing and the market is looking like it's going to move down. On top of all this, let me show you guys the S&P 500 as well, where that's looking for a drop. We will most likely get caught right around this support right here. So you need to write this down, guys. Looking at 1644. Let me get out the iPad here so I can write this down so we actually all have this together. 1644, and this is on Link. Once we break that, or if we break that, it is now back down to descending support, which this would put us right around 1570. So 1570 is where I think we could drop down the furthest before we start seeing a move back up. Let's transition you guys down in here. Price for swell, money flow, trend, exhaustion. These indicators here, we're calling a drop. You need to get these on your charts, guys. You have a few hours left. We're running the biggest sell we've ever done. The biggest value sell we've ever had is going right now, and I'm upping the price tonight. You guys, some of you guys have like a couple, 3 hours left, depending on where you are in the world. But make sure you guys are snagging this. Let me show this really quick, and I'll move on with this. I want you guys to be aware of this. Only a few hours left. You guys are going to get 84% off all of our indicators. It's the two that I'm talking about right here. It's a bundle pack, enter coupon code March. You guys will get that off in checkout today. And I will be upping the price tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you guys just have literally a few hours left. Guided 43 grand over here, 1,200 here, $4,000, 2,200, $20,000 in crypto and stocks, trend exhaustion, price of swell, money flow. Keep reading the testimonials on the other pages, guys. It's insane. Get the indicators. Let me prove to you now the accuracy of this, of why we use these. Let me come down here and show this to you guys, okay? What you're looking at on this chart right now is you're seeing price action moving up here. So we have a high and another high here. Price going up while whale money flow is moving down, creating a high and a lower high. In the same duration, literally says money is moving out of the market. A price action pattern cannot continue up as money's moving out. On top of this, we also have the trend exhaustion creating a high and a lower high, which is divergence, okay? We're sitting in this middle section right here, which you guys need to be watching for the market to go either way now. The best thing to do is honestly to set up a long trade, and I'll show you guys how to do that in this video. But when trend exhaustion is high, while money flow is high, you guys need to be looking for drops back down, even in an uptrend. Sometimes when you guys see this, you are going to get some massive drops in the market, and it is the two best indicators we've ever seen to actually call drops back down and up in crypto. It is why we literally have the highest win rate channel on all of YouTube, possibly the highest win rate ever in crypto. We can't confirm that. I am looking for some stats, and I can't find anyone else who's done 117. Part of it is our indicators and our really good risk management. So make sure you guys snag this. For those of you guys scalping with us, the next time trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section and well money flows low, I would be looking to scalp this for 3 to 4% because that's probably going to put you guys around structure low here as well as down here at the descending support. I'm personally in this trade with Link, so I'm going to be waiting to get back into the profit up here, and then we'll take some profits. We'll let you guys know that. Such a good, amazing indicators. Okay, let's go over the metrics now. The emotional index is sitting in excited and greedy up here. Last time we were up this high, you guys need to be aware of this, we ended up overextending and then pushing back down fast. Bear market. Not a drop, not a crash. A literal bear market cycle took over. Lower highs and lower lows. Okay? I do think that target here of 1570 as well as 1644 is most likely where we're going to be hitting. Short trades increasing over here tells us that wells and institutions are placing their bets on a market drop. Now follow me over here. Let's go over here to the S&P 500. If you guys know about this, the S&P has headed up extremely fast. One of the fastest increases in price structure ever in S&P 500. The angle on this is insane. Without a pullback, this is unsustainable. Okay, listen, without a pullback, this is unsustainable. I believe we're going to see an S&P 500 drop at least back down to this area here of about 453. If we do that, this is going to move down further, which it will bring crypto down as well. Now, there's other people saying that we're going to see a big correction in the S&P 500 because it's due. If we do see a bigger one pushing us back down to about 400, this crypto market is going to drop pretty drastically. Let's get back over to Link here and take a look at this. So as we start seeing short trades increase, this is obviously a bearish sign in the market. Long trades are actually decreasing. Do you see this over here? They're getting out of the way. Let's move down and give ourselves more data. Looking at the market cap strength here, we are seeing, however, the only saving grace I can see, guys, is as this market was heading up here, we are seeing market cap continue to increase for Link. This means people are selling other altcoins and they're placing them into Link. This is the reason why I am not coming out here and saying we're going to crash all the way back down to this structure support. I don't think that's possible. I think the lowest will probably go before a rebound is 1570. I'm looking over here to my right side of my notes. 1570 is probably where we're going to be able to bounce. It's on the descending support line. I don't think we'll go down too much further than this before we see a move back up, okay? Trades in favor. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. Short trades. Well, that's obvious. You know, when it's this high, you guys are looking for good short trades. Institutions coming out and looking for short trades as well. They haven't necessarily got what they wanted all the time. Yes, when it has come out with peaks here, the market dropped here, the market dropped over here as well. Last time they dropped the market was this move right here, which you guys can see right there. They dropped it out. You guys can see over here, they dropped the market there, and they dropped the market here, and they obviously dropped the market out over here. These guys hold a lot of weight. It's why they're institutions and smart money. They know what they're doing. They're trying to manipulate the market, and they usually get their way. So again, I would not doubt if we start seeing a breakdown. Can I show you something else now that will give you guys a little bit more perspective of where we can drop down? We are sitting right now at a ascending support line. If this breaks right now, it's going down to this next support here. So it's an ascending support, and then we have a descending support. If this is broken, we're going down to 1570. That's my next call. It's just simply the next place to look for a move, because if it breaks here, it's going to break below this structure resistance. I know it's a support, but I'm calling it a resistance on this move right here. If it breaks down there, the next visual structure we have is actually from a descending support line, and that's putting us at 1570. Let's move down here. I'll show you guys how to get into a trade. We talked about the support here. 1646 is strong, but 1540, right around that area, that's where we're looking at a lot of the supports as well. Okay. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys got into any of these trades over here, you're doing really, really well. So right now you guys are up, and I've been calling this on the video. You got in just about right over here is when that signal went off. You're up about 28, let's call it 29% at the moment. If you're in profit and you want to exit, I would look to take 50% out right now, and I would actually go in and put your stop loss right around this area right here. So the stop loss can go right around like 1550. I don't think we're going to head down too much further than 1550 because 1570 is the descending support, okay? Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup here. This is exactly how we traded. So literally, if you guys have some extra money, watch this part of the video. This is how we are making all of our money, is with really good risk management and ridiculous indicators. Don't miss that sell, guys. It really is. It's the cheapest we've ever, let me say this again. It's the cheapest we'll ever have our indicators. We've had this cheap before, but the value on it, because we upped our other individual indicators, it's the greatest and biggest value sell we have ever done, okay? Here's what you guys are gonna do. You are going to see 4 yellow lines on the chart on our website for Link. Because it's so low, you can go ahead and use the first three. It's called the equator. You'll learn that in Masterclass 1 if you watch that on the website. Choose the amount you want to enter the trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Take the $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions. This is how our account is so ridiculously healthy in the bear market. We are in the profit while other people are still down 30 to 40%. We're up $3,000. How? Because we spread our money out and we are safe in the market. We don't get into pump coins. We get into established coins. Yes, we got a couple meme coins, but I believe diversification, even into memes, is smart. Okay? Yes, Sheeb is tanking right now. So when we get over here and you guys are looking at this, 4 portions. In this case, you guys can use the first 3 buy limits because we're below the halfway point if you take the top and the bottom on link at the moment. Okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set a sell limit up at the green line. Once you guys have that set up in here, literally all you have to do is follow me on Telegram. Let me make this really simple. If you guys come in here right now, set up your 3 buy limits and just follow me on Telegram, I will call an exit when we're up here and I'm exiting this trade. If you guys just want to get into this trade right now and hold this until I exit, you guys will do probably around 42% profit. There you go. That's the easiest way to do it, is get into a trade, follow me on Telegram, and when I exit this trade, because I have money in Link right now, I'm in this literal trade with you guys. So here's Chainlink right here. Okay, 6.68% of my account. It's obviously not the biggest. I hold the most of EOS and Cardano. These 2 are my top picks for 2022, and they're doing really well already. So get in here, set that up, and then follow me in Telegram. Guys, this does look like we're going to see a little bit further drop down, but then a larger drop than maybe normal, and then a move back up is what I'm expecting. The indicators, real quick, guys, this is all you've got. You have today only, and then I'm going to be upping the price later this afternoon, so make sure you guys snag this. Click this link right here. I've got it in the description as well. Enter coupon code MARCH and you'll get all 9 of our indicators. You will also get 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, as well as you guys are going to get our jackpot indicator that we jokingly call the pressure gauge. And they're a one-time purchase. And you guys get the source codes to all of the indicators as well. So if Jesus takes me home and I die someday, and eventually I probably will, instead of TradingView, revoking access, I literally give you guys the source code to enter it in on your TradingView account so nobody can take these away from you. It's something I love to do for you guys because I just feel like it's honoring as a business to give that opportunity to you guys so no one can take them away. You paid for it. You should never have them taken away from you. So that's why I give you guys the source codes. So guys, snag this. You have a few hours left. Watch for the drop back down to 1570. And then from there, I'm looking for the bounce back up. All right, guys, I'll keep you updated on these videos. Get a membership. Join us in the Telegram channel, as well as you guys get the full chat. You can ask questions in here, talk to other traders, see what they're doing. Absolutely incredible what people are talking about over here. And just, guys, thank you so much for helping each other. I love you guys. You guys are so kind to each other and you're helping each other in here. It's like, you guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you just for being like the coolest and most awesome community ever online. And once you guys join, you'll know. Like, post a comment in there and look how many people try to help you. It's so awesome. So guys, $95 a month is all you're paying for to get all the metrics and every single trade call. And you guys can join the highest win rate channel on YouTube and possibly in the history of crypto. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll keep you updated. All right, links in the description for the indicators and the membership, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.